It's really different, the world of extremely healthy cooking as opposed to the fine dining, all the different things that you could do with different types of food, how you can mix flavors and spices and actually make things taste really good.
Handling different types of meats, fishes, working with wonderful chef instructors over here. They were always supporting us, always pushing us to our limits that we did not know. It was a great experience being here.
For the love of food and for the love of cooking, and when I cook and I see people happy, so that is what really motivated me. I want people to be happy through food, and through cooking is everything to me, and that's what really motivated me to go into the industry.
The experience that I gained from ICCA Dubai was teamwork, patience, and mostly to work under pressure. That is the main important thing I ever learned.
I choose ICCA because I know ICCA is one of the best schools.
One of the biggest events we attended was Taste of Dubai, and we were lucky enough to work with a lot of celebrity chefs. It was like a well-rounded experience for all of us, just to get a taste of how is it working in the industry.
It was very new and different thing for us. It was something that we've never done in our life, so it gave us the best experience, and now we know that we can do something ahead, and like we can go for events as well.